Driver of the Mustang, shut the car off! Shut the car off!
Let's go, Marty. Let's go.
Go.
Still south of Wayside, oncoming traffic.
Hey,
he's crashing out.
Get the air, get the air.
Spinning out. Going westbound, on force. Right front tires pop. They're gonna bail. They're gonna bail.
Force and crown, force and crown, force and crown. Force and crown, force and crown. Hey, hands, hands, hands! Hands! Hey, watch out, hold on. Hands! Passenger! Hey, slow down, slow down, slow down. Hey, get some cover, get some cover. Turn off your sirens, turn off your sirens. Hey, driver, come out with your hands up. Hands up, keep them up. Step away. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Hey, get the passenger back. Turn off the sirens.
Should have got him further back.
Turn off the sirens.
Should have got him further back.
Hey, get the passenger in custody. Go with passengers.
No, you got more. You got more.
Hey, just get one at a time. One at a time. Watch crossfire.
Crossfire.
Hey, take that guy into custody. The guy, hey, no, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
One at a time. Walk backwards.
Slow down, slow down, slow down. Take your time.
Walk towards me. Walk towards my boys.
Okay, we have 3 occupants. We're getting the passengers detained. We got everyone laid out right now. Is there anyone else inside? There's only 3 of y'all. Okay, driver, stand up. Okay, lift the collar of your jacket and lift it up. Lift it up, show me skin. Face away. Show us skin. Take off your jacket. Pull up your collar. Pull up your collar. Okay, start walking back. Keep coming. Hands up. Hands up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Y'all go hands. Keep coming. Keep coming. Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Hands behind your back.
I can't.
Hey, passenger.
Possible third suspect in the back. Getting him out right now. Hold on.
One at a time.
Let me see both hands. Both hands.
Crossfire. Take that guy into custody. Guy, no.
No. Párate. Hold on. One at a time. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards.
Take your time.
Walk towards me. Walk towards my boys. I'm going hands.
Okay, we have 3 occupants. We're getting the passengers.
We don't know there's more.
We got everyone laid out right now.
Anyone else inside?
Take him back home.
There's only 3 of y'all.
Okay, whatever unmarks on North Wayside right now, you got no tail lights on.
Okay, lift the collar of your jacket and lift it up. Lift it up.
Clear the air.
Take it away. Show us skin. Take off your jacket. Hey,
No. Párate. Hold on. One at a time. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards.
Take your time.
Walk towards me. Walk towards my boys. I'm going hands.
We have 3 occupants. We're getting the passengers.
We don't know there's more.
We got everyone laid out right now.
Anyone else inside?
Take him back there.
There's only 3 of y'all. Okay, driver.
Unmarks on North Wayside right now, you got no tail lights.
Okay, lift the collar of your jacket and lift it up. Lift it up, show your skin. Face away. Show us skin. Take out your jacket. Pull up your collar. Pull up your collar. Okay, start walking back. Keep coming. Hands up. Hands up. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Your marshal will be arriving on 4th and Wayside. There are plenty of units on the east side. The units on Crown and 4th. Watch for crossfire. Do not approach from the weather.
Okay, you on the ground. Get up. Hands up. Face away.
Okay, we got 2 detained. We're getting the 3rd one.
Turn around.
I'll go hands on him. Alright, I'm gonna go. I got a lethal. Alright, start walking back. Slowly. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Hold up.
Hey, stack up on me over here.
Here's my phone, my phone.
Hey, I'm on the phone. Give me one more.
Nothing. I don't got nothing.